Here's a tip for all DJI drones that I call motors off. Landing your drone when you have sand, grass or even snow can be dangerous for the motors itself. So there's a way that you can switch off the drone without actually landing it. That's put your hand underneath, grab it and turn it upside down. Motors off. So again, just grab it from underneath and turn it upside down. Motors off. That's this week's tip. Just be careful of the sensors. Yep. Just watch it. Oh, grab it. Yeah, there you go.